Yo, what up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's unboxing video is gonna be on these RGB LED lights that I got for the interior of my car. The brand name is Govee. Govee spelled Govee. Interior car lights, LED car strip lights with 2-line waterproof design, 48 LED apps, control car light kit, DIY mode, and music sync under dash car lighting with car charger, DC 12 volt. And this was 22.99. Okay, currently as of May 15th, 2021. So that was a long ass name that Amazon has on the title for this device. So basically, RGB LED lights that you can control via a remote control, or physically there's a remote attached to the cable that you can press, and you can also control it via an app you can download on your smartphone. And all you have to do basically is connect the cigarette lighter charging port, connect it there, and put the lights underneath the dashboard or underneath the seats, whichever area you're gonna use it on. And let me show you guys really quick how it's gonna look like, what I'm seeing here on my tablet. All right, you guys, so this is on the Amazon app. As you can see, Govee is the freaking brand name. This is attached to that long ass title on Amazon. All right, so this is what I got for my vehicle. There's a price, like I told you, is $22.99, and here are some photos of how it should look like once you connect it. All right, so there's the little remote thing that I was talking about. There's a AC uh not the AC, the cigarette lighter charging port thing, so you connect that in there. There's like a little button on there, so you press and it turns on, you press it again, it turns it off, but you could always just take it out of the slot. Again, power and some other stuff on this remote, and the app you could download off of the app store, whichever device you're using. All right, let me see this one. Yep, Google Play Store and Apple Store. Parallel circuit 70. It's saying like how long it is, and then see, you could put it underneath the dashboard on both sides and underneath the seats, and it should light up this area. That's how it's supposed to look like. There's different modes on it. You could make it brighter, blah blah blah. You guys understand the concept. So more photos, easy and non-destructive installation. There's cable ties, screws, paste the controller onto wherever you guys want to mount it on, I guess. Clean, paste, place the on and off button like I told you guys. Fix lines by 3mm tape, screws, and cable ties. Okay. That's pretty much it, you guys. Let me go back. Alright, let's get to the actual unbagging of the little RGB light case and stuff, and see what it comes with. Alright, it came in a bag. You guys understand. Nothing else in there. So here's the case. Govee RGB car LED strip light. Alright, that's how it looks like. Oh, I'm probably gonna block that. That's something for me to use. Thanks for choosing Govee. What does it say? It says Govee Home app, 16 million colors, colorful lighting, adjust brightness, DIY scenes, music mode, safe to use. what does that say right there? Car LED, strip light, auto LED. Okay, just in different languages. Model, size, voltage, current, power. Alright, let's get to taking it out. Can't wait to install it in my vehicle. Oh, there's the remote. There's the LED lights, along with the little zip ties and screws. I don't know what I'm gonna screw it into. I'll probably just, I don't know, leave it there. Or like, I don't know if I even need to do that. Pretty sure I'll be good with just the zip ties and stuff. So there it is. LED lights come with the strips. So this is the actual LED lights. There's 4 of them, and they're long cables that should go on the side of your vehicle, right? Yeah, I guess that's it. Screws. Let me put this off to the side. I know there's some paperwork with it. Yep, there's some paperwork with it. Alright, nothing else in the box. Alright, what is this? Join Govee Home, download Govee Home app, blah blah blah, like, share it. Like, don't like. Some more paper, instructions, and warranty. I'm guessing this is the warranty. Disclaimer, blah blah blah. Yeah, this is like the warranty information and stuff. Alright, here's the actual user manual. Alright. So it comes with the instructions, you guys. I don't think I'm gonna make a video on how to install it. There's an English version, there's a bunch of other languages. Packing list, specifications, there's the instructions, warnings, customer service. It's in Dutch for the other one, and on the back side it has in French and no other languages. Yep, no other languages. Alright, you guys, that was it for this video. Give me a like, dislike, comment, subscribe. Remember, the description below is gonna have the link to this item. Alright, so alright, peace out, you guys. Thanks for watching.